What if I told you a single entity, a true titan of industry, is built not like a rigid skyscraper, but like a sprawling, ancient oak? Today, we're diving deep into the ingenious structure of Berkshire Hathaway, a holding company that doesn't just own businesses, it cultivates them. At its heart, Berkshire Hathaway is a holding company, the ultimate parent. Think of it as a financial powerhouse, a central bank for its vast empire. But here's where the magic happens. Unlike a traditional top-down conglomerate, Berkshire operates a remarkably decentralized model. Each of its numerous, diverse subsidiaries circumflex euros, from insurance giants and energy providers to railroad behemoths, manufacturing marvels, and retail chains circumflex euros, operates with remarkable autonomy. This means the CEOs and teams running your everyday businesses make the day-to-day operational decisions, free from the stifling bureaucracy often found in massive corporations. What they do receive is the unparalleled financial strength and Warren Buffett's legendary capital allocation expertise from the parent company, Berkshire Hathaway. This structure isn't about empire building for its own sake. It's laser-focused on identifying financially sound enterprises that can be acquired at sensible prices. The emphasis is always on long-term value creation, fostering profitable ventures that stand the test of time. So, the next time you think of Berkshire Hathaway, picture not a single, monolithic entity, but a robust ecosystem of independent, thriving businesses, all powerfully connected by a shared vision and exceptional financial stewardship.